everybody! Today we are going to show you how to turn off or reduce the Steam Client WebHelper so that your PC runs smoother while gaming. So let's just get started. Open up Steam for that, and once you open up your Steam, you can go over, select the Steam option right here, and go to the settings, and access your Steam settings right here. Now what you need to do is go to the interface section and open it up, and within interface, you can look out for the Steam overlay while in-game. So you can scroll down, and if you find that option for Steam overlay here, you can just go over and turn that option off. You can uncheck that option off right here, and that should probably fix the issue. Apart from that, you can end it up on your task manager as well. So you can close this out for now, and within here, go to task manager, scroll down, go to task manager, hit enter. And within your task manager, you can look out for Steam WebHelper, this one right here, Steam Client WebHelper. And once you find it up, right click on that. So let me just expand it and right click on it and select the option of end task for that. And once that is done, your Steam should now use less CPU and then run smoother than earlier. You can just go over and do so. And apart from that, you can just go over and start Steam without the WebHelper as well. You can right click on your Steam, go to properties, and within properties, you can go over to no